In this video today, we are going to be doing an unboxing for the Razer Ornata V3X. I'm going to look at its value, its features, I'm going to test it out, and I'm going to give my honest opinion on it. So right out the box, we have the keyboard, of course. We also are provided an instruction manual, which also has stickers inside. So now here's a closer look of the keyboard itself. Just a heads up, this is a budget keyboard, but with that being said, it does come with an included wrist rest, and a pretty nice one at that. Now on that note, this being a budget keyboard and all, I wanted to test the build quality. And I don't know if you could tell, but it is a little bit flimsy, but I could get over that. And as for the features that could potentially make up for that, it does have an adjustable height. It could go into two different heights, and it also has cable management assistance in terms of changing where the cable comes out of. And without further ado, we have the sound test. So this keyboard is low profile, it is spill resistant, it is also a full-size keyboard with ABS keycaps, but as you just heard, it is also a membrane keyboard. For RGB, in order to fully customize it, you are going to have to download the Razer Chroma app. As for on-keyboard customization, all you really have control over is the brightness, but it does rotate through a bunch of different colors. Now, as for my overall thoughts and my personal opinion, cons I would say are membrane switches, as well as that it only comes in black, and the keyboard itself is also a little bit flimsy. However, the pros are that it provides a wrist rest, it has customizable RGB with the program, and it also helps in terms of cable management. Overall, I would say that this is for a casual gamer. It is a little bit clunky with the membrane switches, in my personal opinion, though this is a reliable keyboard, which also has pretty good lighting at that. Like I said, the wrist rest is also provided, and it is also pretty good quality as well. And it also has that cable management as well as the adjustable height, which can come in handy, as well as it being spill resistant. But then again, this is a pretty good keyboard, especially for it being a budget. So that being said, that wraps up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.